Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to enable contacts or how to put contacts, on your taskbar. So as you can see here on my taskbar, there's a button where it says People. This is where you can see all of your contacts. Okay. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to right click on your taskbar and then click at taskbar settings and then scroll down until you see this show contacts on taskbar. So just toggle the switch on if you want contacts on your taskbar, and toggle that switch off if you want to enable that feature. So also you can choose how many contacts to show my people notification, so you can turn that on, play a sound when my people notification arrives, show my people app suggestion. So it really depends on you if you want to um switch this on. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.